So today I came to Home Depot to go find some stuff for a hood. Alright, so we've got our first coat done. Honestly, it looks like crap. But hopefully, with some subsequent coats, we can make this look a lot nicer. Alright, so as you can see, this is day 2. We got the hood already blacked. It's currently covered by, this little mesh here that I got from Home Depot, as we saw in that video, part. And this I didn't get to yesterday because I had to go to work. And the thing about painting, with my schedule, I love to DIY, but unfortunately, paint is just kind of one of those things, because I don't always get to have a free day, quote unquote. Every day, I gotta be somewhere, or I gotta do something, or I gotta prep for this or that, the other. So any kind of paint day, or it's, extremely windy or raining all the time. So paint days for me are very rare, and I try to work my schedule around them, but inevitably, either I don't wake up early enough, or something happens that I have to rush my paint job all the time. And at least imperfections. But imperfections are okay, because 6 months down the line, I look at my imperfection, or I'm watching a video, and I learn from what I did wrong. So, as you can probably see, right now I've gotten the carbon fiber look done. It didn't come out very well. It's kind of a rush job, to be fair, and it's a bit hard trying to get them to line up properly and correctly. I'm sure here you can see the line that goes up there, and the line that goes trying to find it on camera. Where's my finger? That line there. Yeah, overall it may look okay on camera, and I've added 2 coats of glossifier. I still gotta add probably another 1 or 2 coats, but I assure you, it is much worse in person. But this is a rush job. I need the car back by Saturday, so this is what I have, and this is why I choose to do Plastidip, because I get to try out things, and not always will it turn out exactly the way you want it. With me, it never turns out the way I want. So when you use, Plastidip as opposed to actual paint, it's much easier to remove and start over if you wanted to try again, and then hone your skill to perfection. And then maybe, if you're committed to it, you can goop paint. Or with me, if it looks good in Plastidip, then why not just keep the Plastidip? It lasts, And then if you get tired of it, or you want to do a different kind of scheme, it just peels off. So This is the semi-finished product of the hood. I'm still working on the spoiler. It is in the garage. I had to move stuff back out because, like I said before, this is what happens. I have other things to do today. I have to go to a doctor's appointment. Yesterday I had to go to work. So, you know, we got to stop what we're doing in the middle of the day. Go out, come back, hope it doesn't rain, hope it's not too windy, hope it's not too dark. And that's, you know, the dilemmas of my life and what I gotta put up with. So, for now, I think that looks good. I will insert some rollers, but that's pretty good if you ask me.